Kodakinda Nanandravu Academy. Now in this section, 7th class, simple equations, how to solve the problems. First model, if you take solve 3x plus 5 equal to 5x minus 11. Anytime solve word given there means you find out variable. Here variable means x letter. Variable means x letter. How to find out there means all variables taken to the one side and constant values if you write one side. Now 3x, here 5x is the variable, then this 5x here plus 5x take to this side minus 5x, that equal to minus 11 as it is, that side only, plus 5 transfer to the right hand side, plus 5 minus 5. Now 3x minus 5x. Some of the members are confusing how to find out 3x minus 5x. First you take 5x minus 3x, you take 2x. Big number is 5, that before minus 2x equal to minus 11 minus 5. Both are having the same symbol, add it. That means 11 plus 5, 16 minus. Now minus minus cancel, x equal to 16 by 2. Here multiplying, take to other side. Then that equal to 8. 2 1 jar, 2 8 jar. So in this problem, solve. Once again, solve means to you find out x value 8. Our problem will be correct or not. How to check it? There means you substitute 8 in this place. 8 3 are 24 plus 5 29. 5 8 jar 48 minus 11. Both will be same value. Now come to this problem. Here bracket 5 into pronunciation 5 into x plus 4 equal to 35. How to solve there means 5 times of x plus 4. Remove the bracket. 5 into x, 5x plus 5 into 4, 20 equal to 35. Here only one variable only, 5x. This 20 go other side, 35 minus 20. 5x equal to 15. Then x equal to 15, here multiplying, take to other side division, by 1 jar, by 3 jar. So x equal to 3 for this problem. Now minus 3x equal to 15. Here 3 is multiplying, so take to other side, minus symbol as it is right. 15 by 3. So minus x equal to 3 1s, 3 5s. Minus x equal to 5, but you find out by the solve. Solve means x value only, x equal to minus 5. Now fourth problem, same like that second problem model only, but one more step. 3 into x, 3x minus 3 3s, 9 equal to 5 into 2x, 5 2s, 10x, 5 1 jar 5. Now all x values write one side. 3x minus 10x equal to 5 minus 9 take to other side plus 9. 3x minus 10x minus 7 equal to 5 plus 9. Both are having the same symbol, add it to 14. Then minus x equal to 14 by 7. 7 1s, 7 2s. Therefore, minus x equal to 2. Solve is you find out only x value. X equal to minus 2. Now, 14 equal to 27 minus x. 14 here only you write. This 27 take to this side. Minus 27 equal to minus x only you write. Don't write x. Minus x. Now 14 minus 27, how much? 13. But 27 big number, that before symbol is minus, so you write minus 13, that equal to minus x. Minus minus cancel, x value equal to 13. X value will be 13. Now Sixth problem here you observe it. This problem also linked with the simple equations, but word sentence given. Here, total number of the boys and girls in a class is 52. If the number of girls is 10 more than that of boys, then find the number of boys. Always this type of questions are given, you concentrate to find here, find number of boys. So first you take it as by the number of boys. That means how to solve that means number of boys I don't know. That I don't know you consider as a x. Now if you take it as a x, then what is the relationship between boys and girls? If you read the question before line, if the number of girls is 10 more than that of boys, then automatically number of girls equal to more than the 10 more than that of boys. That means x plus 10. In a classroom, total strength boys and girls in a class is 52. Total strength, that means total equal to how much? 52. Total means number of boys and number of girls. Number of boys will be x plus number of girls x plus 10. Total if you consider 52. Now x plus x, 2x plus 10 equal to 52. X means not by the x square. X plus x equal to 2x plus 10 equal to 52. Then 2x equal to 52 plus 10 go other side minus 10. 2x equal to 52 minus 10, 42. Then x equal to 42 by 2. 2 ones, 2 21s. Here x means again go to the problem. Here x meaning number of boys. So number of boys equal to how many members? 21. Automatically number of girls equal to 10 more than the boys. X plus 10. That means 21 plus 10, that equal to 31. Now see the one more problem. Now one more question. The present age of Ramu's father is 3 times that of Ramu. After 5 years, the sum of their ages would be 70 years. Find their present ages. Same model. First you concentrate here. Find. What is the find present ages? What are the present ages? Ramu's father and Ramu ages. Always Ramu's age is lesser compared to the Ramu's father age. So here Ramu age equal to x years. Here present Ramu's age how much that means x years. Automatically father age. What is the relationship between Ramu and Ramu's father? Ramu's father is 3 times that of Ramu. That means Ramu age x years, that means father age will be 3x years. It is the case 1. Now after 5 years, so just one underline you take. After 5 years, present to Ramu's age x years, that means after 5 years, so Ramu age how much that means, so x plus 5. X plus 5. Father age how much will come there means present 3x years. After 5 years there means 3x plus 5. Now after 5 years the sum of their ages. After 5 years Ramu's age is x plus 5, Father's age 3x plus 5. Both together how many years? 70 years. How to write the equation? X plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 equal to 70 years. That means 70. X plus 3x, always you concentrate variables only. X 3x, 4x plus 5 plus 10 equal to 70. 4x equal to 70 plus 10 go other side minus 10. 4x equal to 60. Then x equal to 60 by 4. 4 ones, 4 15s. Here x equal to 15. What is the meaning of x? Now come to the first line. X means Ramu's age. What is the Ramu's age? Present Ramu's age. Therefore, present Ramu age equal to 15 years. Automatically, father's age equal to 3x. 3x there means 350s, 45 years. Then this model is very important. This model is very important. Now take into the now one more question. Length of a rectangle is 8. Length of a rectangle is 8 meters less than 5/6 breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 56 meters, find its length and breadth. This question, linked question. What is the relationship between length and breadth? Length is depending upon the breadth. That's why if you take breadth equal to x meters, you consider. Why there means length is depending upon the breadth. Now length equal to length, how much is there means 8 meters less, twice of its breadth. That's why twice of breadth already x, twice its breadth, that means 2x. In this 2x also how much less there means 8 meters less, that means 2x minus 8 meters. If you take 2x minus 8 meters, then here perimeter, if you take it, perimeter of the rectangle, what is the formula for perimeter of the rectangle? There means 2 into L plus B, that equal to 2 into length value 2x minus 8 plus breadth value x. Now 2 into 2x plus x, 3x minus 8, that equal to 2 3 jar 6x minus 2 8 jar 16. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. But actually, according to the data, perimeter of the rectangle is 56 meters. That means 6x minus 16 equal to 56. Then 6x equal to minus 16 go other side. 56 plus 16. 6x equal to how much? 56 plus 16, 72. Then x equal to 76 by 6. How much 72 by 6? 6 1 jar 6, 6 1 jar 6, 6 2s 12. Actually, what is the meaning of x? X means breadth. Therefore, breadth equal to breadth equal to breadth equal to 12 meters. Automatically length equal to how much? 2x minus 8, 222. 2 into 12 minus 8, that equal to 24 minus 8, that equal to 60 meters. So what are the length and breadth? Length equal to 16 meters and breadth equal to 12 meters. Three numbers are in the ratio 3:4:5. and their sum is 60. Find the numbers. Now, anytime ratios are given, that means first number equal to is 2. Ratio given there means immediately take a one constant, that one 3x. Automatically second number equal to 4x. Third number equal to how much come there means 5x. Next, what is the given? Their sum is 60. Sum of the three numbers 3x, 4x, 5x equal to 60. 3x, 4x, 5x, add it. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5. 12x equal to 60. X value, how much there means 60 by 12, that equal to 5. Then, first number, how much? 3x. 3x means 3 into 5. So, 15. Second number, 4x. 4 5 are 20. Third number, 5x. 5 5 are 25. So, what are the three numbers there means? 15, 20, 25. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you.